Right. So let us see the problems on pyramids. So here we have a question: a pentagonal pyramid, 25 sides of base, 15 on axis length, rest on HP on one of its edge of the base, which is inclined to VP at 30 degrees. Draw the projection of the pyramid when axis is inclined to HP at 45 degrees. So basically, it's a pentagonal pyramid of 25 sides. So go to line command, increase the thickness to 0.5, construct a pentagon of 25 sides. So 25 angle 0, 25 angle 72, 25 angle 144, 25 angle minus 144, 25 angle minus 73. Okay. Since it is resting on one of its edge of the base, it should be an edge condition. Select the entire thing. Go to rotate command. Top tip as first click, bottom edge midpoint as second click, edge to be done on the right side. Okay. So sorry, I have to switch up the copy option. So yeah, that's all. So this is basically an edge condition, what I have tried to got. So I'll select this, take it to a side, get the midpoint of it. Since it is a pyramid, center to each and every corner, there should be a dark line. So from here to here, here to here, using trim command, trim this one and this one, go back to line command. So draw a dark line from center to each and every corner, like this, right? Name the corner. This is A, B, C, D, E, and this is O bracket O1, right? Then go back to line command, reduce the thickness to 0.05, draw projection line from each and every corner, from D, let's XY line, O to here. Further you extend it, axis length is 50, so type 50, angle 90 degree, and from here to here, right? Now increase the thickness to 0.5, draw lines. D, split the lines here, don't draw a line in single shot, split the lines. D to CE, one split, CE to O1, 1 second split, then a third split. Click, click, then again from here, click. Okay, and this is axis line style, so change the line style to axis line. Name the corners. This is your point D dash. Next, C dash of E dash. Next, O1 dash. Next, A dash of B dash. Right? And over here, this is O dash. Next, this is pyramid when axis is inclined to HP at 45 degree. Axis as of now, it is inclined 90 degree. He wants this to be inclined 45 degree. So select the entire thing. Go to move command, switch on the copy option, bottom tip, this is first click, put on XY line, and he wants axis to be inclined 45 degree. If axis has to be inclined 45 degree, base should be 90 minus 45, that is again 45 degree also. So bottom first click, this and second click, just type 90 minus 45 is again 45, top 45 degree, switch off the copy option, type 45 degree and click. Before proceeding it further, I suggest you to check the angle of the axis and then proceed. Go to angle between, check the angle of here to here, this should be 45 degree, right? Then proceed further, 0.05 line thickness, draw projection lines. Point D, move your cursor once everywhere here, you get the reference lines, D over here, C point and E point. E point over here, C point next, then O1 point exactly in the center, right? AB point, A point over here, B point over here, and last O1 point, O point exactly, DOO. This is DOA up to here, point B up to here, and point C up to here. Okay, name the corners so it will be easy. This is your point A, this will be a point B, this will be a point C, D, E, this is O1, and this is O. Go back to line command, increase the thickness to 0.5, draw outermost boundary line dark, B to C dark, C to B if I do and proceed further, it is correct. B, further if I extend, O point is coming inside, so I have to click on B, then click on O, again same thing, A, further if I extend, you can see E point is coming inside, E and then back to D, right? After that, dotted lines. AB is the line which I have not yet touched. This line I have not yet drawn. If I see in the opposite drawing, AB point is on XY line. So since it is on XY line, it is not visible. It has to be drawn dotted. Okay. So go to dotted line style. Equal to point. After that, C to A to C, everything is done. O to A is done. O to E I have to draw. DCE. It is far away from XY line compared to AB, so it has to be drawn dark. So O to E, O to D, and O to C. It should be drawn down. I've already explained in prisms why this has to be dotted. For example, among A and B point in this drawing, you have put B dash point in the bracket. Why you have put B dash point in the yeah, here I have done. Good that I observed here. B dash point in the bracket. Right. So here I put A dash point in the bracket. The reason is comparative to B, your A point is very close to XY line. Since it is close to XY line, it is not visible from front. Okay. Similarly, among between C and E point I have put in the bracket because E point is very close to XY line and C point is far away from XY line. When I see from front, C is far away from XY line compared to E. So you need to understand whichever is close to XY line that you have to put it in the bracket. By putting it in the bracket, you are trying to tell it is not visible. Okay. The same way here. AB is the point which you are not supposed to check. In the opposite drawing, AB is very close to XY line. That is the reason you have drawn dotted line. Whereas DCE is far away from XY line, so that is the reason you have drawn dark. Right? And what is the third stage? Edge of the base is which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. What is inclined? Resting edge of the base is inclined. Which is the resting edge? AB is the resting edge. So that should be inclined 30 degree to VP. Go to line command, reduce the thickness to 0.05. Okay, continuous line. Draw a line to an angle 30 degree. What is the length? I don't know. The angle is just 30 degree. Draw a line. Then select the entire thing. Go to move command. Switch on the copy option. A point, take it. Put on the line here. Right click. Go back to rotate command. Switch off the copy option. A end point as first click. B end point as second click. Put on the line. Okay. So this is how your resting edge is inclined. Then go to line command, draw projection line from each and every corner. That is from E. Move your cursor once everywhere here. From E, one point over here. From D, a little bit above. From C point is over here itself. From B is on XY line. Okay. It does not allow me to draw straight line. So I'll press tab button. I'll draw 90 degree. So the moment I click on 90 degree, it will allow me to stop here. So put it on the line. Similarly, the end point on the line, O point tip beyond the line here like this, and O1 point again same. O1 point is right. Okay, same way. D point over here, stop it. CE, C point, E point, O1 over here, O point over here. Name the corners. The very first point, this is A dash. This is, here I have B dash. Here I have C dash. C dash. Here I have D dash. Here I have E dash. And here I have O1 dash. And here I have O dash. Right? Draw outermost boundary line dark. Increase the thickness to 0.5. Outermost boundary line dark. A dash to B dash. B dash. I zoom this. for clear visibility. Let's zoom this area here, right? Go back to line command. A point to B point to O to directly. If I draw E, D point is going out. So D, E, and then back to A, right? C is the point which I have not touched. If you see, C point is very, very far from XY line comparative to any other point. So C point is visible. So D to C, C to E, right? After that, O to C. C again, it is far away from XY line, so O to C should be drawn dark. Whereas O to A and O to E, A, E point are very close to XY line comparative to C. So those points should be drawn dotted. So go back to dotted line style, O to E dotted line, then again O to A also dotted. O to O1 chain line, so change the line style to chain line, 0.05 line thickness, O1 to O, it should be a chain. So this is how you complete solids problem, that is pyramids problem. Okay, I'll stop the recording.